The curb, everybody taking curb now. Here comes Teague Hobbs, the winner. Oh, and he's taken him out. The two teammates go down. Benjamin Gloddy is taken out by Thomas O'Marcon. And Benjamin Gloddy is, well, that's not the way that he wanted the race to end. And that is going to mean that
Barry looks like he's in fourth, but Jackson Blackman, another good start. And mistake there by...
Oh, and that's Dominic Doyle, and Dominic Doyle has gone down again. He went down earlier on and down again, and that could have been because maybe there was some kind of issue still with that machine. And watch the bike that is the second one in the picture now, and it was that Miranda? It